You can even take multiple inputs at times. Let's define a character, ch, and an integer, a. So remember the convention that a character is a person c, right? So let's just focus on the character right now. We take simple inputs like this, right? Now, to take multiple inputs on the same line, we can do this. We can specify another identifier, sorry, person d, for an integer, person d, and then we can actually, like the printf function, map this variable to that identifier, meaning that, after character ch, the integer a will be taken. Now, if we print this, %c, remember, backslash %d, you know what, I'll put a new line here, ch and a, printf, sorry. And if we say a, then 3, we get an a and 3. We get a 1 and 2, we get a 1 and 2, because remember, 1 is also a character, but the difference between the character and the one number is that the one number doesn't have the single quotes, but the one character has the single quotes. This is how we take multiple inputs in C.